Hello dear viewers, and you're welcome back once again to LearnCity. We talk about the various forms of errors in accounting. So we talk about errors of omission, errors of original entry, and many others. Although we only talk about the theoretical aspect of it. Now, for the purpose of this class now, we are going to talk about the various illustrations, how we can apply simple arithmetics as it relates to each errors. So now, let's move. As we all know, since human beings are not infallible, there is always the tendency for some errors to be committed while posting accounting entries. Now, and in the same vein, there is a way to correct such error that occurs whenever it happens in our day-to-day accounting basis. Generally, it is however noted that cancellation or mutilations of figures are not allowed in accounting. This typically explains the use of journal entries to effect corrections when mistake occur. So now let's take the illustration for each accounting errors one by one. The first illustration we're going to take is error of omission. For error of omission now, let's take a example. Simple example. Illustration 1. Now, for this illustration 1, let's say the sale of goods of 519 naira was being made to Shika Enterprises, and this 519 naira has been completely omitted from the books. So let's assume that you are required to use the journal to record this particular type of transaction. Let me write the question down. If it is now a that long question, illustration 1. Error for error of omission. Error of omission. Example. The sale of goods. The sale of goods to Shika Enterprises. If you see this type of question, that the sale of goods to a particular person for this type of question now to Shika Enterprises worthing the amount of 519 naira had been completely omitted, what should come to your mind is that this type of error is talking about the error of omission. So you are required for this type of question to use the required journal to record this transaction. The solution now will be sorry. Solution is solution. Oh shit. What is this thing you're scrolling? So sorry, that thing is not scrolling. Sorry. So solution now for this type of illustration, what you just have to do is at the top like this, you first of all write the journal. Since we are asked to prepare journal, so your debit side followed by your credit side Let me write it very well. Followed by your credit side. Then the naira sign under it. Now the naira sign. So in the question now, let's say 590 naira have been omitted completely from the books for Shika Enterprises. What you just have to do is you write Shika Enterprises, then you debit the sum amount, which is 590 naira, like this. Shika Enterprises. Mm, Sorry, let me write it. Shika Enterprises, which is 590 naira. So, having done that, the sales account, you have to credit the same amount into the same amount of 590 naira. You need to credit it into this sales account. So the sales account will be sales account is grade 590 naira. So, in case you see something like error of omission, this is the simple principle behind how to how to do it. So, all this the little we just do is being correction to omission of sales invoice number. Let me write it down. Being correction of um, being correction of omission. So we are done about we've done with error of commission, which is the first illustration we are going to take a look in this particular lecture.